In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install JJump Arena on your PC or laptop. First, we need to download the Steam app. Open your Google Chrome and search for store.steampowered.com. Link in description. Click on the Install Steam button on this page. Once you've done that, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the .exe file and open it. Complete the installation, and once finished, open your Steam app. Now, go to Store and click on the search box at the top right-hand corner. Search for JJump Arena to download the game. If game is not showing up, check out video and description. Else in drop-down menu click on JJump Arena. Then scroll down and press Add to Library. In pop-up press OK. Now press Play button. I'm getting error because I am using Mac and this game only supports Windows. Then go to Library. Next step I will show on Game I Own. First click on the game you want to play. Now click Install. Complete installation process. When installation completed, click to play, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe and help reach 1,000 subscribers mark so I